we're taking trace elemental analysis to a whole new level of speed, simplicity, and sensitivity. I'm with Frank Hupfler. He's an expert in chromatography, and we're now talking about synergy between ion chromatography and IC-ICP-MS. Frank, talk about this pairing of capabilities, our technologies we brought together here at the show.
One of the big advantages being a part of Thermo Fisher Scientific is that we now have the opportunity to marry ion chromatography with IC-ICP-MS. The benefit here is we can now do speciation analysis and bring it to a new low level of detection limits. Ion chromatography is able to separate ionic species in different complex matrices and do a cleanup before we bring the analyte into the IC-ICP-MS system. The IC-ICP-MS allows us then to go to lowest detection limits. Low part per trillion levels are no problem with IC-ICP-MS.
Can you talk about an example that might be a really good standout?
Yeah, we have two really nice examples which are now going through the press. One is chromium-3 and chromium-6. The US EPA is proposing new regulations for drinking water going to detection limits in the range of 10 part per trillion. And this is something we can achieve with IC-ICP-MS as a detection technology, and then the IC is doing the separation of chromium-3 and chromium-6 within a very fast time.
So what about any software capabilities to talk about how this workflow works?
So the IC system is typically operated by itself, and it's feeding in the data into the IC-ICP-MS software package, which is doing all the data analysis here.
Looking at this, what would really be a compelling reason to look into it and perhaps purchase it?
They can really get to the lowest detection limits with ease of use, because a lot of challenging matrices like wastewater samples or fruit juices, the IC-ICP-MS would suffer from all the matrix components, and there could be spectrometric interferences. The IC really is helping here and is allowing to separate all these matrix compounds which are of non-interest but in high concentrations from the analytes of interest, our ionic species, which are then separated and fed into the IC-ICP-MS system. Also, arsenic speciation is receiving a lot of interest, as was shown on the Dr. Oz show. Inorganic arsenic was found in apple juice, and this is one of the areas where speciation analysis combining IC with IC-ICP-MS really delivers new information to our customers, because arsenic in organic molecules is less toxic than the inorganic species.
Learn more at thermoscientific.com/ICP-MS.